Hey boys and girls, so last week you completed your circle map on your oviparous animal, and then you also did your first draft writing. Now today you're going to have somebody in your house help you edit that writing. So here's our kindergarten 5-star rubric. We know we want to make sure we have capital letters at the beginning of each sentence. We also know that we want to have punctuation and the correct punctuation on each sentence. So period, question mark, or exclamation point. We want to make sure we have good spaces between our words. We want to make sure we're using neat printing and letter formation the right way. We're making those letters the right way. We also want to make sure those sentences make sense. The other thing I want you to check, if it's a sight word and it's on your word ring, I want you to spell it correctly. So you're going to have somebody help you edit that today. Make sure all of those things are fixed, all right? And tomorrow you will be doing your final writing.